The X490 is a 49-inch ultra-curved, ultra-wide gaming monitor, which has an insane aspect ratio of 32:9 and a curvature of 1800R, which is the most curved monitor that you can find in the market, giving you an ultra-immersive gaming experience. The X490 comes in a base model and a Pro version. The base model comes in a DF-HD resolution of 3840x1080 pixels, and the Pro version comes in a dual-quad HD resolution of 5120x1440 pixels. The base version also comes in a blazingly fast refresh rate of 144Hz, and the Pro version comes in a refresh rate of 120Hz. Both are more than sufficient for all of your pro gaming needs. Both the base model and the X490 Pro is HDR400 certified, and the base model is able to display 120% of the sRGB color gamut, while the Pro is able to display 140%, making it a wonderful tool for video editing and for watching all of your favorite movies. Now let's proceed to unboxing this monster. And for that, I'm going to need my handy dandy scissors. The X490 is really heavy, so be careful when you're opening it. We advise you to have some help. So as you can see, it comes in a protective styrofoam box to always ensure that your monitor comes to you in one piece. Attached is the ergonomic stand, very heavy duty. You'll see the power cables and adapter for the monitor. And inside the power adapter bag, you're also going to find a DisplayPort cable. Finally, we have the base of the ergonomic stand. So with the curved side facing up, you're going to pull out the styrofoam. You want the back of the monitor facing upwards to the ceiling. So once you remove the protective sheet, lay the monitor back down onto the styrofoam, and you're going to want to install the stand first. If you are planning on getting a monitor arm, the only monitor arm that's going to be able to carry this monster is the Arc Titan. Make sure that you purchase the correct monitor arm for it. So you want to take the stand, take it out of its wrapper, and with the back of the monitor still facing the ceiling, you're going to put the catch of the stand onto the back. And it should have a heavy clicking sound so you know that it's secure. Now at the bottom of the monitor is where you're going to put the base of the stand. Now you're going to want the legs of the stand pointing downwards. So just put it in like that. You can see it's very sturdy, it's made of steel, very strong to hold up the weight of the monitor. The next thing you want to do, you want to take out this packet with the power adapter and remove the screws. So inside this packet, you're going to find 4 heavy duty screws that you're going to put right here at the bottom. They connect the neck of the stand to the legs. Now hold it by the neck closer to where the joint meets the monitor. Pull it out and just slowly place it on your desk. The insanely huge X490 Pro, as you can see here, is designed with zero bevel technology, meaning you're not going to see the frame of the monitor. So you can see here you have 2 HDMI ports, 2 DP ports, and an audio insert. The power AC input is here on the leftmost, so that's where you're going to put your power cable. So once you put in your power adapter and your cables, you can hide them with this case. So just fit it back right in. The ergonomic stand allows you a swivel angle of 15 degrees left and 15 degrees right, 5 degrees down, 15 degrees up. You can also adjust the height up to 95 millimeters. So now we're going to plug it into our Aftershock gaming PC and we're going to see how it performs. For playing this game, you're going to know that your eyes are going to be comfortable because it has a low blue light and flicker-free technology that's going to reduce your eye strain, meaning you can game for hours and hours without feeling the fatigue in your eye. As you can see, the colors and the contrast really pop because of the HDR400 certification and the sRGB display, and it's going to have a cinematic look for every single game that you play. Because it's so wide, you're going to be able to open multiple windows at a time, allowing you to multitask. The X490 and the X490 Pro are available now at a pricing way more attractive than competing brands with the same specifications. So get it now before it's sold out. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.